Tired of drowning in data and ready to pinpoint the insights that truly matter? Let's dive into how to add filter queries in Looker Studio and turn that data deluge into laser-focused analysis, all in just 90 seconds. First, open your Looker Studio report and select the chart or table you want to filter. Click on it. This activates the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. In the Properties panel, find the Data section. Scroll down, you'll see a section labeled Filter. This is your gateway to creating filter queries. Click Add a Filter. A window pops up, offering you two options: create new filter or select existing filter. For this tutorial, we will create a new one. Name your filter. This is crucial for organization, so make it descriptive now. Choose the field you want to filter by. Let's say you want to filter by the region. Now, select the condition. Common options include equal to, contains, greater than, less than or equal to, and others. Tick the one that matches what you want to do. Enter the value you are filtering by. For instance, if you are filtering by a region, enter North America. Click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added a filter query. Notice how the chart or table now displays only the data that matches your criteria. Repeat these steps to add more filters, refining your analysis even further. Mastering filter queries unlocks deeper insights and more targeted reporting in Looker Studio. Remember, select, add, define, and save. Happy filtering!